Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me Galaxy A34, and now I'm gonna show you top 3 bad themes for your device. On the third place in my top is Niagara Launcher. So just open the Play Store and find here Niagara Launcher. Click install. Open it. Great, click agree and continue. Choose your favorite apps, and great, here we have really minimalistic interface with really handy feature to find applications. So to find any app, just tap your finger on this alphabetical line and drag your finger to desired letter. For example, if you want to find the Play Store, just drag your finger to B and open your application. On the second place in my top is Smart Launcher 6. Just find it, click install. And open. Get started, add agree, confirm, and great, click continue, allow all. Great, here we have really minimalistic but really beautiful interface. So this interface is similar to Xiaomi interfaces. So we have here glance icons, I don't know, it's multiple icons. And here we have a really handy feature to group applications. So we have groups, and all apps are grouping automatically into these groups. For example, here you will see your Messenger, WhatsApp, Telegram, Signal, or others. Here you will have games, surfing apps, utility settings, media. So it's really handy to use. But on the first place in my top is completely free and really cool launcher is Microsoft Launcher. So Microsoft Launcher is not too beautiful on other Android devices, but on your Samsung device, your Microsoft Launcher will, I don't know, maybe will improve your normal Samsung UI launcher. So as you can see, here is my normal Samsung launcher. As you can see here, yep. So here we have normal Samsung main menu. Here we have I don't know. Here we have normal Samsung settings without any helpful features. Here we have Google News, and that's all. But if you will install the Microsoft Launcher and open it, click Get Started, while using the app, allow, continue. You need to sign in to the Microsoft account. In this way, you will be able to use your device with your Windows device in pair. And here, as you can see, apps in your home. Click Continue. You need to click it. Then click Always Allow. Let's go. Of course, set as default, because this is the best launcher. And as you can see, this launcher looks like a normal Samsung One UI launcher. But scroll left, and here you will see the glance panel. In the glance, you can set up all widgets you need, and if you want to read news, so just open news, and you will have news here too. You have the normal main menu, scrolling main menu. You can change it to swiping main menu, of course, but you have here alphabetical line, as you can see, and it's really helpful. And on the right top corner, you will see the 3 dots button, and you can hide unused applications. For example, SIM card setup and other unused apps. And why I really love this launcher is because we can set up gestures here. Screen lock method. Okay, I will set up it later. So, firstly, I need to open launcher settings, then find gestures, and for example, I don't know, double tap on the free space in my screen. By double tap, I will open the Chrome browser, for example. And now, when I have free space on my screen, I can double tap on this place, and Chrome browser will be open. So maybe I can't do it. Oh, I can do it everywhere. So great, and as you can see, it works really fast, and it's really helpful. You can set up many gestures, and in this way you will use your smartphone really productively. So that's it. Thanks for watching, like this video, and bye.